The Peace Mission 2021, a counter-terrorism military exercise for Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states, officially started on Monday in Orenburg, Russia. The participants are from 8 SCO member states, including China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, India, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan. The participating troops consist of around 4,000 military personnel, among which 558 are from China.
我们一定不辱使命，以一流的组织指挥、技战术水平和战斗作风，高标准完成演习任务，为上合组织成员国军队间战略互信和务实合作打好基础，贡献力量。
The routine exercise within the framework of the SCO is aimed at deepening defense and security cooperation among member states, improving their ability to cope with new challenges and threats, and jointly safeguarding regional peace and security.